Okay, hello, my Form 1s. How is everyone doing? I hope everyone is well. Okay, sorry, there's no live class for this week. I am doing a very short exercise video for all of you. Okay, why? Because there's only 4 questions left. Okay, so there's no need for you to attend a 1.5 hour of me repeating the same thing again. Okay, so there we go, question 17. Okay, I hope you have this physical copy with you. Okay, so substance A is heated and this is graph, sorry, there's a spelling mistake here. Okay, it's as shown as diagram 7. Answer the question below. Okay, we have already went through this if you still remember. Okay, this is solid. Okay, no, I don't think this is solid. Okay, this is liquid. Okay, and then you know what, they didn't mention anything here, but never mind. Let's assume this is solid. Okay, for here is solid plus liquid. Okay, and then here is liquid, and then here is liquid plus gas. Okay, so state the melting point of substance A. Okay, melting point is this one where solid starts to turn into liquid. So it's 60 degrees Celsius. Okay, please remember to add the degree Celsius. I have students who write 60 and then they got it wrong. Okay, unit is very important. Okay, boiling point, and boiling point is this one, so it's 90. Okay, it's where liquid starts to change into gas. Okay, so they should have another line here. Okay, but they didn't. Okay, that's why I got a bit confused just now. Okay, so C, explain the state of matter for substance A at 11th minute. Okay, 11th minute is here. Okay, so what's the state there? So it's liquid. Oh, they don't want the liquid. They want to explain. Okay, explain the state of matter. Okay, what do we make it? Let's just say liquid first. Okay, so you can say all solid has melted. Okay, because the melting process takes from 2 minutes to 10 minutes. If you still remember, the flat line means it's changing state. Okay, I went through this last week. Okay, so during that time, why is there no temperature increase? Because the energy is used to break the bond, to break the force of attraction. Okay, force of attraction is atom and atom, the attraction. I'm using the heat energy to break them apart, so there's no temperature increase. Okay, you have to memorize this. Okay, so all solid has melted. So D, what is the state of substance A between 12 to 22nd minute? Okay, so from here to here, so it's liquid plus gas. Okay, so E, explain why there are no changes in temperature from 2nd to 10 minute. Okay, I already told you just now. Okay, so solid is changing to liquid. Okay, so energy is used to overcome force of attraction between particles. Okay, so that's it. Very simple. Okay, number 18. The graph shows the temperature, shows the temperature against time which ice is heated. Okay, so we know this is solid. Okay, this is solid plus liquid. Okay, this is liquid, and then this is liquid plus gas. Okay, they should have another line here, but they didn't draw it, no matter. So melting point of ice 0, boiling point of water 100. Okay, what is the state of water at QR of the graph? Okay, so this is solid plus liquid. Okay, so C, explain why the graph levels off at ST. So why does it level off here? Okay, because liquid okay, why does it level off here? Okay, first you should tell me, okay, no temperature change. Okay, why is it flat? Because there's no temperature change. Okay, straightforward answer. Okay, so then you can tell me energy is used to overcome force of attraction. Okay, write your own. Okay, so D, sketch a graph of temperature against time when steam is cooled to negative 20. So steam is this one. Okay, so steam is more than 100. Okay, steam can be 120. Okay, so your graph should look like this. Okay, so you have maybe, let's say 120. Oops, sorry. So this is temperature. So let's say this is 120. Okay, so it will cool down to 100. Okay, and then it will stay flat. Okay, and then it will cool down to 0, and then it will stay flat again. Okay, and then it will cool down to negative 20. Okay, they only want it from to negative 20. Okay, so this 120, I'm just giving you a figure. I can write 105, 106, 107, whatever, as long as it's more than 100. Okay, because it's steam. Okay, so matter exists in 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, how do you draw solid? Okay, like I said, draw it big, don't waste time. Okay, you see I'm only drawing 3 rows here. Okay, so if you want to draw like hundreds of them, yeah, you can. Why waste time? Okay, state the movement of the particles in the solid. Okay, they vibrate, okay, at fixed position. Okay, means they stay there and then they vibrate like that. Okay, there's no movement there. It's not like fluid, solid, or sorry, liquid or gas is free flowing. There's no movement here. Okay, so B, graph of heating of water. Wow, what a common question, huh? You see this all the time. What is the boiling point of water? Okay, common sense lah, 100 degrees. Number 2, why does the temperature remain unchanged at the boiling point? Okay, because liquid is changing into gas. Okay, so what's the next answer? Can you guess? Energy is used to overcome the force of attraction between particles. Okay, like I said, you have to memorize that set of answers because it's always that answer. Okay, what is the boiling point of water? Okay, what is a repetitive question? Okay, so C, Amira sprayed perfume in the room. Her sister could smell the perfume even though she was outside the room. Explain why. Haha, this is what we call diffusion. Okay, so you can say the perfume particle, okay, diffuse. Okay, so from high concentration, okay, which is in the room, I spray this part. When I spray it here, this is high concentration. It will go to the low concentration, which is outside the room. Okay, from high concentration to low concentration. Okay, so you can even bracket here. High concentration is the room. Okay, low concentration is outside the room. Okay, diffuse in air. Okay, that should give you 2 marks easily. Okay, so 20, smoke released from open burning. So as you can see, this is the smoke. Is smoke a form of matter? Is it? Yes. Okay, remember what is matter? Matter needs to have 2 characteristics, which is it has mass and occupies space. Okay, so you can say, okay, what is smoke actually? Okay, smoke is made up of, okay, dust particles. Okay, so it has mass and it will occupies space. Okay, easy 2 marks. Liquid is filled into containers that are in different shape. Why is it possible to fill containers that are different in shape with the liquid? Okay, so you can say particles of liquid, okay, is free moving. Okay, means they will flow. So they will follow the shape of containers. Okay, C, Farah carries out activity to study the mass of ice cube and water during melting process. Okay, so the beaker is 400. This beaker is 400 gram. Okay, so the container plus ice is 650, which means the ice inside is 250. Okay, so and then this is also 250. Okay, so as you can see, mass will not change. 250 grams of ice, you get 250 grams of water. You don't get 251. You don't create something, okay, unless you're like God. Okay, so why the mass of ice cube before activity is the same as mass of water during the activity? Okay, so wow, 3 marks here. Okay, okay, you can say same number of particles. Okay, same number of particles. Okay, so same mass, you can say. Okay, same mass of particles. Okay, so mass doesn't change during physical change. Okay, what is physical change? Melting is a physical change. Is there any chemical reaction here? No. If I burn petrol, petrol gets lighter because that's a chemical change. This one, melting, doesn't change anything. Okay, so this is melting. Okay, so that's it for this week. Okay, like I said, very short video, 10 minutes. Okay, so I hope you done your exercise this week. Okay, so next week we will be going into chapter 6, I think. Okay, couldn't remember the number. Okay, and our physical class will begin hopefully by the mid of July. Okay, you'll be going back to school mid of July. Okay, so we hope we will see each other then. Okay, so see you next week. Stay safe and bye-bye. Okay, I hope you learned something from the live video. If you like my video, kindly subscribe and press the like button. And if you would like to join my live class, kindly go to the description box or you can go TTC Education on Facebook. Alright, see you then.